Got a pretty basic one for you today. We're going to talk a little bit about pump shotguns, why you might want to remove the barrel, and how you can make that happen. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm related. Now, it's an unusually cold day here in Texas. We're going to try to make this one quick. Going to start out by talking about why you might want to remove the barrel on your pump shotgun. Now, the obvious answer is repair, cleaning, and maintenance, those sorts of things, but also storage and transportation. Shotguns, especially sporting shotguns, can be unusually long, and by removing that barrel, breaking it down into two pieces, you can fit it in a smaller area or a smaller case. Now, there are obviously a few different designs of pump shotguns out there. The ones that we're going to be talking about today pretty much require no tools. You see I'm wearing gloves, which means it's pretty easy to do even if you don't have that finger dexterity going on. And I've got two examples. The first is this HK pump shotgun, and the magazine nut, the barrel nut on it, it just kind of clamps the barrel lug down to the tube. Second example we're going to talk about today is this little Ithaca shotgun, and you'll notice the barrel nut on it is a little bit different, actually wedged in between the barrel lug and the magazine tube. Now, since there are multiple designs of pump shotguns, there are certainly some that are not covered under the two examples we're talking about today. So if you know of any that fall outside of these categories, please, by all means, jump down in the comments below and let me know. Now, as always, safety first. Anytime you're working with your firearms outside the confines of actual live fire, you want to make sure everything is clear and safe. In this case, we certainly are clear and safe on both of these examples. So let's get started. Now, with the HK, super simple here. You're just going to take that end cap, magazine end cap nut. You're going to screw that puppy off like so. And then it is as simple as lifting that barrel up and out of the shotgun. And to go back together, just simply going to set that barrel back in the receiver as so. Let it all drop into place. The barrel lug is now over that magazine tube. Put your end cap nut back on, snug that puppy down, and you're good to go. Now, with the Ithaca, it is a similar procedure, even though it looks a lot different. You're going to back off on that magazine tube end cap. Want to pull that pump down just a little bit. You're going to then be able to twist that barrel and it come out. Difference between this design and the other design, instead of the barrel lifting out, you've got to twist it. Now, to go back together with this Ithaca, simply put that barrel back in, twist it into place, tighten up that magazine tube end cap. That locks everything down, and once again, you're good to go. So there you go, crew, a real quick basic video, thank goodness, because I'm freezing to death, on how you can remove the barrel of a pump shotgun and why you might want to do that. If you're looking for more content on pump shotguns, well, no worries, I got you covered right over here. As for this one, though, we're done. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.